Welcome back to ByteSized Data. I'm Byte, your guide to clean data plumbing. Today, we are settling one of the biggest architectural showdowns in modern tech, the Data Lakehouse. On one hand, as you see on the slide, we have the traditional warehouse, incredibly reliable but rigid and expensive. On the other hand, we have the data lake, built for raw, low-cost scale. Today, we're exploring how the modern lakehouse merges the transaction safety of a warehouse with the cheap scale of a lake into a single high-performance platform. Let's unlock the secret. Before lakehouses, enterprise teams were trapped running two parallel worlds, and it was a massive operational headache. Look at column 1. You have the traditional data warehouse. It's SQL-ready and secure, but incredibly expensive to scale. Now look at column 2. The data lake. It gives you cheap storage, but quickly decays into an unmanageable data swamp. To make matters worse, as highlighted at the bottom of the slide, trying to synchronize these two systems with fragile ETL pipelines guarantees schema drift, pipeline failures, and double storage bills. The Lakehouse solves this by giving us the best of both worlds. To understand how, let's use a simple wholesale club analogy, like Costco. A traditional data lake is like a chaotic harbor where raw cargo is piled high in disorganized shipping containers. Cheap, but a nightmare to search. A warehouse is like a high-end boutique. Clean shelves, but incredibly expensive. A lakehouse is the wholesale club. It's built inside a massive, low-cost warehouse shell, utilizing cheap cloud storage. But internally, everything is neatly organized on pallets and fully cataloged, so you can grab what you need in seconds. Let's look under the hood at how this actually works across 3 open layers. Starting at the foundation, Tier 1 is our cloud storage layer, using cheap, durable options like AWS S3 to hold raw, open-source columnar files like Parquet. Directly above that is the secret sauce, Tier 2. The open metadata table format. Powered by frameworks like Data Lake or Apache Iceberg, this layer adds database features like ACID transactions and schema enforcement directly to those raw files. Finally, at Tier 3, high-performance compute engines like Databricks Photon or Trino query the data directly where it sits, without moving a single file. The payoff of this architecture is massive. As you can see under our direct value points, companies see up to 50% in direct storage cost reduction by removing duplicate silos, near zero pipeline lag for faster business intelligence, and zero vendor lock-in because it's built on open standards. If you want to build data infrastructure that doesn't break the bank, this is the way. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss next week's guide on data modeling, and leave a comment below. Is your team moving to a lakehouse? Beep boop. See you next time.